A capacitor is made of a flat plate of area A and a second plate having a stair-like structure as shown in the figure. The width of each stair is A and the height is B. Find the capacitance of the assembly. Here, this is first plate, which is of size 3A, and here this is A, this is A, this is A, and this height is B in each case. Now, it is equivalent to 3 capacitors connected in parallel, in which first one has plate separation D, in second one, plate separation is D plus B, and in third one, plate separation is D plus 2B. So let's evaluate them separately. C1 equal to epsilon naught. Here plate area will be divided in 3 parts equally. So epsilon naught A by 3. So I'm writing 3 here and times D. C2 epsilon naught A by 3 and plate separation this time will become D plus B. And C3 epsilon naught plate area will be A by 3 times plate separation will be D plus 2B. Now all 3 capacitances are connected in parallel. So C equivalent will be sum of all 3, that is epsilon naught A upon 3 common, 1 upon D plus 1 upon D plus B plus 1 upon D plus 2B. Now epsilon naught A upon 3. From here, if we take LCM, so this will become D times D plus B times D plus 2B. Then it will become D plus B times D plus 2B plus this will become D times D plus 2B plus D times D plus B. Now we can simplify it further. So I'm not writing those 2 steps. So the final step will be epsilon naught A upon 3D. And then inside bracket we will get 3D square plus 6BD plus 2B square divided by B plus D and B plus D plus 2, which is our answer. Consider next question. Next question is, a cylindrical capacitor is constructed using 2 coaxial cylinders of the same length 10 cm and of radii 2 mm and 4 mm. Calculate the capacitance. Another capacitor of the same length is constructed with cylinders of radii 4 mm and 8 mm. Calculate the capacitance. So here we have to apply the formula for capacitance of a cylindrical capacitor with inner radii A and outer radii B, and that is given by C equal to 2 pi epsilon naught L divided by log of ln, natural log of B upon A. In first case, B upon A, if we find, so it will be 4 mm divided by 2 mm, that is 2. In second case, here also 8 by 4 will be 2. So the result will be same in the 2 cases. So let's evaluate first case. So C will be equal to 2 pi. Pi is 3.14 into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into length is 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 divided by natural log, it will become 2. And natural log ln2 equal to 0.6932. So we can put these values here. This will become 6.28 into 8.85 into 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 0.6932. So on further simplification, we will get 8.017 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad, which is equivalent to 8 picofarad. Thank you for watching.